everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well, and I'm so sorry that I've been away for such a long time. We've been traveling since May, and I'm currently in Bangalore. We have a very nice, huge, giant race course outside. And you know, the city's weather is just amazing, and I'm like really sorry for being away for such a long time. So finally I can sit down and show you guys something that I got. Actually, not recently, I got when I was still in Hong Kong, but I haven't done any unboxing. I've been waiting until today. I've been bringing it with my luggage as well, so yeah, let's do it today. Before we get started, as the old rules go, let's grab our cup of coffee and get started. So if you happen to watch the short that I posted a few days ago, I actually mentioned in the short that today's unboxing will be a Chanel unboxing. Well, based on the size of this bag, you would know that it is an accessory from Chanel. It is actually a pair of earrings that I picked up from Chanel. I will be going to Jakarta in a few days to join a friend's wedding, and I'm planning to wear these pair at the wedding. And I've been wanting to have a bit of a more signature piece in my collection as well, something that you can wear during a bit more formal or important occasions, and that's why I decided to get a earring from Chanel. And to be honest, I think their custom jewelry line is not crazy expensive, given that the rest of the products from Chanel are crazy expensive. Yeah, and the design usually is quite pretty. So when I was at the store, I was struggling so much between two designs and finally picked this one. So that's why I decided to get a pair from Chanel as a statement piece that I can wear on important occasions or any formal event. And let's unbox this beauty together, and let me show you guys what I got. So first of all, let's untie the little bow tie that the sales lady got for me. And now let's see what we have inside. So this is the nice packaging of the earring that I got, and we also have the receipt with it. So with no further ado, let's unbox the earrings together. So inside, the first thing we have is, I think, a card or a manual telling you how to take care of the earring. And yeah, let's put it aside. And then we have the earring, and it also comes with a very tiny dust bag, which is super cute. It opens up like this, and let me show you what we have inside. So this is the earring piece that I picked up from Chanel, and let me give you guys a closer look. So it is a very classic style of Chanel, or we would say something like a very straightforward design from Chanel, because it has this big CC logo in the middle and covered with all the sparkling stone, and it runs with a material that looks like the mother of pearl, which obviously it's not really mother of pearl, but yeah, and it's quite thick. This is the thickness of the earring. And this is how it looks on me. Basically, when you put it on your ear, it actually will stay on the side of your ear instead of like in the front. It's not that loud, you know, it's not really like shouting out to people that I'm wearing a Chanel piece. It's formal and it's a little bit more sparkly, but it's also like a bit of a more subtle, feminine design. When I was at the store, I was actually struggling between this one and also another earring with a very classic Chanel, you know, the Chanel chain, which is basically the leather and the gold twisted chain. So they have that in the earring collection as well, and I was struggling between that one and this one. But to be honest, I think these two are very different style. This one is more feminine, more formal. That one is more casual. You can wear that on a daily basis. You can wear it with your jeans as well, but this one, I think it's better to wear it on formal occasions. And let's take a look at the price of this one. So I have the receipt here. So the price of this earring is Hong Kong dollar 5,800, and I will also give you guys the price in the US dollars so you can compare. That's usually the price of Chanel's custom jewelry. It's usually around like 5,000 to 7,000. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this is not cheap, but if you want to get a statement piece, but you don't want to break a bank, to get something very fine jewelry, I think custom jewelry from Chanel is a good option. It's not that expensive and it is very, you know, with the CC logo, it can be very dominant on your, you know, as a accessory on you when you join these occasions. Also, if you don't like these earrings and you want to sell them to someone else, the resale value of these custom jewelries of Chanel is not bad. I think they hold the resale value decent enough. So that's why overall I think it's a good option. If you've been thinking about getting a piece from Chanel, I think you should definitely go and take a look. And it's definitely something that, I mean, we don't have to get tons of custom jewelry. I don't think you should have a lot of custom jewelries from these luxury brands, because at the end of the day, these are custom jewelries, these are not fine jewelry. But one or two pieces with gold, I think it's important. So that's it, guys. Hope you liked today's video. I will continue my traveling journey to Jakarta and Singapore. I will show you guys some clips and photos I've been taking along the journey in another video. And until then, stay tuned. And if you like my video and want to hear more of me talking about luxury, please consider subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon in my next video. Bye!